A student drops a bag of mass m onto a cart of mass capital M that is sliding with speed v0 along a horizontal track, with negligible friction. Immediately after the bag lands in the cart bag system moves with a speed vf. Which of the following statements correctly relates the two speeds and gives a correct reason for this relationship? The process described is a completely inelastic collision. We know from previous theory that a significant amount of kinetic energy is lost during these collisions. It must be clear that it is the kinetic energy of the system that is being dissipated or lost, since individual objects in that system may gain or lose energy depending on the interaction involved. In this case, the cart is losing energy, but the bag is actually gaining energy since its initial horizontal velocity was 0. From that, and the fact that the horizontal momentum must be conserved, we can deduce easily that the final speed must be less than the initial speed. The answer then is option A.